time for a Dunkin Cereal Caramel Macchiato Latte with the cereal milk. You guys got to stay tuned and watch this. Hello, this is Veronica from House of Sid, and if you watched my previous video where I taste tested the Dunkin' Donuts cereal, remember the big old huge box? Well, I said, you know what, we need to keep going with the Dunkin' theme here and make a latte with the cereal milk. I'm sure you guys have seen other videos. I've seen a couple where people make coffee with the milk from the cereal, and perfect. This is a Dunkin' coffee cereal, so we got to try it. Let's try it. So my cereal has been soaking in my milk, and I'm going to strain it to, I only want the milk. I don't want the actual cereal. Maybe we'll garnish it with some cereal, but I just need the little milk for now. And of course I made a mess. There might not be enough milk. I need some more. You gotta make sure all the good Dunkin' cereal flavor gets into the milk. So we're going to strain it. Try to be a little careful. So we just want the milk. Then I'm going to take my milk and I'm going to put it in my Arrowchino to froth it up. I know you guys have watched my video, right? If you haven't, I'll link it up here, and you guys go watch my video on how to use this frother for your milk. So we're gonna put it in here, get it nice and frothy and foamy. That's it. And then I gotta get my shot ready. So I'm gonna make a latte, which means I need a shot of espresso, so we can get started on our shot. Let me get my little shot cup. This is the cup I like to make my little shots in. So while the milk is frothing, we'll get it ready. Okay, so my machine's ready. I'm going to make the shot. So while we wait, we could read a little bit of a Dunkin' Donuts history. Did you know that Dunkin' started in 1948? I didn't know it was around that long. Back in Quincy, Massachusetts. But you know what? It wasn't called Dunkin' back then. It was called Open Kettle. Didn't know that. Then in 1950, they changed their name to Dunkin' Donuts. Let's see. Remember if you're old like me, you remember the commercials in the 80s with Fred the Baker, time to make the donuts. Let's see. Oh, in 1970, they opened their first restaurant in Japan. Following the great success of a variety of donuts, breakfast sandwiches, they added to the menu. Let's see. I know they changed their name. In 2019 is when they changed their name. Last year to just Dunkin', no more Dunkin' Donuts. And then they have their cereal 2020. So let's make this latte. My milk is ready. Ooh, that got really frothy. So I'm gonna pour my milk first. Shot. There's my Dunkin Cereal Caramel Macchiato latte. But you know what? You can't have a caramel macchiato without caramel sauce. And I just happen to have some. So let's do a little drizzle on top. OMG. I'm like very excited to try this. Looks so yummy. Look at those layers. That's why I love this machine, because it just gives you those beautiful layers of coffee. But let's taste it. Ooh. Let me mix it up. Ooh. That's a winner. It's not too sweet, even with the caramel sauce I put on top. And it has like a slight, almost chocolatey. I don't know if it's chocolatey. That's actually pretty good. I would definitely drink this again. I'd probably even buy this if I went to Dunkin' and they said they had a Dunkin Cereal latte. So it would be Dunkin Cereal Milk latte. You guys know what I mean. Ooh, that's actually pretty good. Are you guys a fan of Dunkin'? I'm a fan of Dunkin'. I don't get to go too often because we don't have that many here in Southern California. We have a few, but none too local close to me. But whenever I get a chance to make it out there, I do enjoy some Dunkin' coffee. Oh, that's good. You guys need to try this. You need to try the cereal and then try making a latte with the Dunkin Cereal Milk. 2 thumbs up. So hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know if you're a fan. If you tried this recipe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried it. If you tried the cereal, let me know too. I want to hear from you guys. Let's chat. Let's be YouTube buddies. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications so you guys know when new videos are coming up. 2 a week, Wednesdays and Sundays. Sundays and Wednesdays. And give us a thumbs up if you're liking our videos. It helps us grow. Let other people know about our videos. Share the love of coffee with your friends and family. That's it. See you guys next week. Bye.